Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip, and this tip is to do with our wonderful snowflakes that I've been featuring this week. And we've got the beautiful sort of iridescent shimmer to this white, but maybe you want to just add a little bit of colour. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how we can use our blends for this. I will just say on the back side we've got a matte white, so you could colour with any medium on this side, but because this is a shiny side, it actually is a bit more difficult for it to take colour. So I'm using the blends. They will stick better, not perfectly, but they will stick better to this sort of shiny surface. And you might even want to go over it a couple of times. And I'm using the light Bermuda Bay and mixing it actually with the dark Pool Party for this, because I just want to give it a little hint of blue. So one of the tips is to keep the snowflake actually in the paper while you're colouring, rather than press it out and then do it. Give it a bit of time obviously to dry once you've finished, and this just gives you a little bit of colour to your paper. If you want a darker colour, go for darker blends. I just wanted a hint of colour, nothing too bright, but if you do want bright, go for it. And like I say, if it's not dark enough when you've done it, then let it dry and go over it again. The other tip that I've got for you is that you can use these bits that are in between as well. So same thing, I'm just going to colour a little bit here. You can see I've used some Flirty Flamingo over here. That was just testing, and it wanted to make sure that it does stay. So you can see that and you might want to change this up a little bit like that. And then when that has dried, then you can take other dies and die cut them out. So that's my little tip for this week. So you can, like I say, you can colour these whatever sort of colour you prefer, and make them as dark or as light as you want. Sometimes the paper will resist a little bit, it'll bubble a little bit like that, in which case, like I say, let it dry and go over it again, and it'll start to make a little bit more of an impression. So I hope that that top tip helps. I'll be doing a project with these a bit later, so feel free to drop back and see that. And if you like these tips, I do a quick tip on a Friday and a quick card on a Monday. So please subscribe, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll be back again soon.